Hey guys, rise and shine. It is Thursday, March 26th, so it's almost Friday. Something else to celebrate. I hope you guys are doing well and you're staying healthy, and go ahead and join me today as we go through this lesson overview. Okay, first off, click on Language Arts 7C. Now, once you get into Language Arts 7C today and you go into the module, you're going to see Lesson 12, Thursday Learning. Please click on that. Now, once you click on that, you're going to see you only have 2 learning tasks today. You're welcome in advance because I know you guys are going to be super excited that all you have to do today is some light reading. So you've got 3 chapters to read. And even though we don't have a quiz today, I want you to keep this in mind. Tomorrow you will have the final exam. And I can ask you any question from chapters 20 through 25 as part of that final exam. So just because you don't have a quiz today doesn't mean that a question may or may not pop up from one of these chapters you read today on the final. So keep that in mind. Now, your purpose today is to analyze Max. Think about how he's changed since the beginning of the novel. That's going to help you in particular with the final exam, and you'll see how when you get there tomorrow. Okay, so what we're working on today is finishing the book the next couple of days, actually, not today, but the next couple of days we're working on finishing the book, and then you're going to have your final exam, and we're closing the unit down after tomorrow. So hopefully you guys are staying healthy and you're doing well at home. If you guys have any questions, you know the drill. Email me at chris.bagley@ccsdut.org. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you back tomorrow.